Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. So today once again we are going to talk about Barcelona. So let's start with the video. So the very first thing today we are going to talk about is Todibo, the ex-Barcelona player. Todibo joins Benfica on a 2-year loan deal, and according to the reports, they will pay his wages as well as they will have an option to sign him for 20 million euros. Once again, I don't know what is the planning of Barcelona board. We currently are left with three center backs, that is Gerard Piqué, Lenglet, Araujo, and Umtiti is currently struggling with injuries. I don't know how do this board plan for the future and through the season. Moving on to our second topic, that is we are going to talk about the present Barcelona center back, that is Samuel Umtiti. So according to reports, Umtiti believes that due to the limitations in defense, he can get his chances this season. He wants to reverse the current situation by training hard, although he knows that it won't be easy since Ronald Koeman doesn't count on him. We know that a fit Umtiti is one of the best center backs in the world, but after the 2018 World Cup, he has been struggling a lot due to injuries. If he manages to keep his injuries back, then once again Barcelona's defense would be rejuvenated. Moving on to the next topic, that will be the future Barcelona player, that is Eric Garcia. So, according to reports, Manchester City didn't drop a single penny in their demands for Eric Garcia during the tough negotiations with Barcelona. So, Garcia is, on the other hand, is thankful to Barcelona for trying until the very last moment, and the centre back is still determined to join Barca in January or for free in summer. As we know, Barcelona throughout the summer tried their very best to sign Eric Garcia, but Manchester City were firm on their decision. They did not want the player, they did not want to lower their demands for the transfer. Moving on to the next player, that is Memphis Depay. So Memphis Depay would be free in the 3 months, and Barcelona has agreement to bring him at zero cost. As we know, Memphis Depay is currently is in last year of his contract. So in January, he hopes that he would be signing for Barcelona for free, and Barcelona already has an agreement with him. So as per the Lyons president, that is Olas, he quotes that I spoke with the president Bartomeu at Barcelona twice. He told me that he couldn't see how things could happen. I know that Koeman made him continue to hope and that Memphis was ready to make sacrifices. Today, he is disappointed, but not towards Lyon, more towards Barcelona. He is going to do everything he can to find themselves in a position where he moves there in January. So as we have heard that even the Lyon's president has been talking about Memphis transfer to Barcelona in January. Even the player, he would be trying his best to do every possible actions in his power, to do everything in his power to join Barcelona in January. Moving on to the next topic, and the most important topic which we were waiting for and eagerly wanting to know more about. The topic is the vote of no confidence. Yes, you heard it right. The motion of no confidence against Bartomeu's board has reached the required amount. Yes, you heard it right. We have done it. The socials have done it. So there were 18,090 valid signatures, and 16,521 were necessary, and the out of those 975 signatures weren't valid, means they were invalid basically. So there will be a meeting in the Barcelona's board next week. So they have called a urgent meeting next week, as per the reports by Cat Radio. For the referendum against the president to take place, it must be held in the next 20 business day. As we know, we have crossed the stage 1. The stage 2 is the referendum. In addition, a 66.6% of the votes should be in favor will be necessary to force the Bartomeu and his board of directors out. So finally, FC Barcelona has scheduled a press conference for Barcelona's vice president Jordi Cardona at 11 a.m. CET time tomorrow. The members such as Josep Maria Bartomeu, that is the president, Jordi Cardona, that is the vice president, Xavier Bordas, that is the board member, Guillermo Amor, that is the managing director of sport and communication, would be the members of the boards would be asked, or or we can say that the elections will be held immediately. So guys, in fact, this is a very great news. We have been very tired of this board year after year after the humiliations from Roma, Liverpool, and this time around Bayern. I think this time the Socis have understood that this board is completely incompetent to handle this club. Also, a club has been facing a lot of depth issues. Uh, even the we can thank our captain, beloved Lionel Messi, for his efforts. I think his transfer request in the summer was the last nail in the coffin for this board. Let's hope and let's see how this develops even further, and we'll hope that we can get this board kicked out as soon as possible. So until then, guys, take care. Visca el Barça.